Hi guys, hope you're well. As the lockdown restrictions are starting to lift, more and more businesses are getting ready to open. So one of the things that they're looking to do is put out a video to essentially let customers know how things are going to be a bit different. So we're heading off to a restaurant called the River Inn in Houston in Renfrewshire today to do a bit of filming for them around, you know, how customers are going to deal with the new restrictions that are in place, and also explaining how to use their app to order food and pay for their food. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Not long back from filming at the River Inn. Great night. Got a lot to edit tomorrow, so a couple of drinks, a couple of the sailor jerrys, and then good night's sleep and straight into editing. See you in the morning.
Welcome to the River Inn. When you visit the inn, you can rest assured that you will have an excellent dining experience with the peace of mind of complete safety. We've consulted extensively with customers, employees, suppliers and contractors. We've observed the UK hospitality guidelines to ensure a welcoming and yet safe and compliant setting. We've invested in Perspex screens at each till point, a state-of-the-art thermal fever camera, fog spray sanitizer for indoors, an outside sanitising mist machine for our garden terrace, and PPE for all of our staff. The most important and exciting addition is our new River Inn app. Order food and drink from the comfort of your table and with minimal contact with our staff to keep at a safe distance at all times. Tables are all 2 metres apart. There's a one-way system and sanitising stations throughout the premises, including the outside terrace area. When you arrive at the inn, we kindly request that you come to the reception, accessed via the car park entrance, where the thermal camera will check your temperature and your contact details will be taken to comply with the government track and trace policy. These requirements have to be carried out in order for you to enjoy the facilities here at the River Inn. We would politely advise if these requirements are not met, we'll be unable to grant access to any of our indoor or outdoor areas. Please observe our no smoking policy in the outdoor terrace. We will implement separate smoking areas for those that wish to smoke. Our toilet system will be operated with a one-in, one-out system, and we respectfully ask you to sanitise your hands before you enter the toilets and wash your hands thoroughly when leaving the toilet. We would also encourage you to wear any facial mask when using the toilets to reduce droplet exposure. Each toilet will be sanitised with a fog machine every morning and evening. Each area will have a member of staff working full-time to sanitise all the contact points during opening hours. These will include door handles, Perspex screens, card payment machines and handrails. Our outside terrace seating and indoor tables will be sanitised every morning and every time a customer is finished with the table and chairs. The River Inn provides gloves, masks and protective eyewear to all of our staff. Every employee completes and signs a daily health assessment questionnaire to confirm that they are fit to work. This will include having their temperature taken using our thermal camera. Dedicated staff will monitor the restaurants and bars at all times in order to maintain social distancing standards, and there will be a member of staff on the door at peak times. You're encouraged to use our exciting new River Inn order and pay app wherever possible. Alternatively, you may just prefer to pay at reception using a credit or debit card and contactless. Staff hand over all drinks holding the base of the glass, and when ordered using the app, they're delivered to your table on a tray and placed on the table using the base of the glass. Food will be delivered to the table by a member of the floor staff. We also have a drop zone if you wish to avoid all contact with staff. When you order, we will bring your order and leave it on a designated table for you to collect. You will also place your used crockery and glassware on a separate table for our staff to collect. This will allow a totally contactless dining experience. 5 steps to your excellent dining experience. A quick and easy thermal camera temperature check on arrival. A personal welcome by a staff member to assign your table and ask you if you wish to use the River Inn app. The app is very easy to use and includes an instructional video on the welcome page. Simply scan the QR code on your table with your phone, and a demo video will guide you through the menu and placing your order. Alternatively, you may just prefer to place your order with a staff member in person at your table.